Hey boys and girls, Mr. Splowski here. Today we're going to have a blast doing motion stations. That's right, we're going to have 6 motion stations. So we're going to be exploring all about force, motion, gravity, and how unbalanced and balanced forces can affect the motion of an object. So let's take a look at our different 6 stations that we're going to have today. Station number 1 is right over here. Station 1, we got our Hot Wheel bag at table 1. So at table 1 you've got all your tracks in here. You've got your connecting piece. Make sure you connect this to your table. It won't work very well. If you don't, you've got a bucket filled with 5 cars. And you also have a bucket with your connecting pieces. So here, you're going to work on building yourself a ramp and a racetrack. And you can also try to build a loop with this part. And you will need the top orange part to connect the loop. Remember, the track connects to each part of the ramp. So you need to work together to figure that out. Nobody's doing it for you except yourself. So that's station 1. Station 2 is bowling. Station 2, I've got some tape on the floor. You are going to set the pins up all the way down here. We're going to have all 10 pins set up. It goes 1 pin, 2 pin, 3 pin, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we can set up bowling pins. We've all bowled before. So when it's your turn, you bowl the ball 1 time, once. Count how many you got, and then pick them up, and the next person will then go. That's station 2. Station 3. All the way over here at table 4, we've got marble roller coasters. Build a roller coaster with different pieces and see what the marbles will do when they go down, and see how gravity affects it. The next station, at table 5, we've got a bag. It's got 5 magnets and 5 cars. You may race. See if you can test these to make them move without touching them. That means I want you to just use the force of the magnet to make the car go. So, I'd set it down on the table, and then, as you can see, I'm not touching it. I'm making it go just by moving the magnet. You can do that on the floor, you can do it on the table, wherever you want. Just follow me, but it needs to be over in this general vicinity. Alright, our next station, let me turn this camera just a little bit. Our next station is going to be at table 6. Table 6, you can build marble roller coasters. I've got a bucket filled with marbles. The marbles are in a Ziploc bag and then inside this container. There's no excuse to be losing these marbles. You can build it like we did with our team challenge, where you can hold it and see how many you can get down together. You can just play and explore. I will also have a roll of masking tape here to see if you can create or build anything. So have some fun with that. And last but not least, our last station is going to be right over here at our straw connector. So right next to Ms. Splowski's table, we're going to have, this is our straw rocket launcher. So the rocket launcher moves up and down. The straw goes here. I have more than enough straws. You only need 1. I put plenty of them in here. So only 1 at a time. There's just extra just in case. So you pick your angle. The first thing you're doing is picking your angle. You set it down. The goal is going to be to get your straw to land in the hoop. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to pick a number, maybe 26. And then I'm going to drop it. I'm not slamming it. I'm just letting it go just like that. Whoa! 26 is way too much. As you can see, it went all the way. It went all the way behind the iPad cart. If it goes behind the iPad cart, unlock the wheels, pull back, and go get it behind their place. So those are your 6 motion stations. Make sure you clean up after each station. When you hear the bell ring, that means it's time to switch stations. But the expectation is that everything is cleaned up before we switch stations. So let's have some fun with some motion stations.